Okay, Dr. Huebner here with Natural Transplants at Natural Transplants, and I'm here with Bonnie. And as some of you may know from the website, Bonnie had her surgery here, kind of a last-minute cancellation, and she's one of our technicians now for several years. It's been with us, many years now. And so she had a hair transplant. And a lot of people didn't even know she needed a hair transplant because, she was styling her hair forward. And I'll put some pictures up there. You can kind of see the recessions that she had before. But now she's here at 4 months. 4 months is when things are just starting to grow. You can actually start seeing the framing of the face, and it's starting to pick up in density. So I would say Bonnie's a little ahead of schedule, if anything. But let me kind of zoom in here and kind of show people what is going on. So all of this is brand new hair. There was a recession there before, so I'll put kind of a side-by-side so you can see. Cool. She's wearing her hair in a really cool way that hides pretty much everything, but here's what the front looks like at 4 months. You can see that the little baby hairs are just starting in the front there. And I'll swoop this over. Oh, excuse me, work there, sorry. So, yeah, there we go. So there we go. So 4 months, little spacey, little gappy, but just starting. She's nowhere near her final result. So this is all going to thicken up over the next couple months, and I'm really happy because we'll get to follow along. But even just that little bit of hair that's there is making a huge difference. I mean, it's awesome. So, what do you think? I know you hide this pretty well anyway, but have you noticed anything in terms, of yourself, the way you look?
Oh yeah, it's definitely more confident when I'm styling my hair. I have a shadow there now. It used to be bare, and it was
just taking that
white skin.
Exactly, taking that contrast away. So
exactly,
yeah.
And it's growing into each other nicely. And yeah.
You're a couple months from, if you wanted to, you could grow your hair back and feel pretty good about it. So I'm really excited for that. How about any issues with the scar in the back? Have you had any issues with that?
Whatsoever.
Cool. I'm going to turn you around here. We'll see if we can find it. Okay, so turn you around. Whee. All right. We have a sense of humor here at Natural Transplants. So all right, let's see if we can find this thing. All right, so this is a scar 4 months out. So first of all, let me just show you kind of from here what it looks like. So, really nothing there. It almost looks like if you put a comb through it, there's not a big popsicle stick scar. Oh, you can see it right there. So there's a scar. Tiny little pencil line. Almost just looks like a crease in the hair. There's a scar. You see a little line?
No, I don't.
Oh. It would be you'd have to have your hair extremely short. And her hair is pretty short anyway, but, she'd have to have it really, really short to see that. Almost shaving her head kind of stuff. There we go. You can kind of see it there. And it's continuing to heal, so it heals up to 1 year. There's the scar. But again, if you put the hair down, it's nothing. Cool.
All right.
Whee! All right, so thanks again, Bonnie, for showing it off, and we'll do around 6 months to 9 months. We'll do another one, and then of course at the year. So cool. Would you do it again if you could? Obviously you got a good price for it being here, but finances aside, would you do it if you were?
I would do it again.
Yeah.
It was a very easy process, and it's just now I got hair and it's growing, and it's
permanently
easy. It's not hard at all.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks again, Bonnie. 844-327-4247 and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.